My name is Jessica Bijik, and I teach kindergarten Spanish immersion. The unit that I am working on is a Spanish language arts unit about phonics and more specifically syllables. So my learning tool is Online Free Spanish, and it has four different levels here that you can see, as well as activities to print and activities that can be used on tablets. The lesson that I need is under level 3. So I clicked on level 3, and if we scroll down here, I'm using lesson 4. So I clicked on that and opened up this screen here. And so you can see these are the different lessons of the different syllables that Online Free Spanish has. So for example, you can see if you click on this first one here, it'll load and students will be prompted to read the vocabulary words that have the syllables at the beginning, middle, and end of the words. Then you can click on practice here. And then there is a game that will help students practice these different skills that they just learned. So there's a bunch of different units like that on Online Free Spanish. The assessment tool that I found is Plickers, where students each have this QR code that you can see here in this picture. And they're asked a question, and they have on their QR code A, B, C, D around it, and they have to have the correct answer on the top of their paper. The teacher scans the classroom, and that data is then collected for them. So on this Plickers website here, you can see the library, which will hold all of your questions, reports, which will hold the score sheets and the question history, and so you can see all of students' progress. Here will be where your classes are. If you click on Live View, you can see or have the students see who is answering what, or how many students are answering the question and what they answered. And then over here is where you can download those QR codes to print off for each student. And when you put in your classes, then that will assign the cards to each student. So Online Free Spanish is my learning tool, and Plickers is my assessment tool for my unit.